Drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA weather. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Meeker, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chandler, Meeker, Sparks, and Warwick. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 158 and 173. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At